I usually work around the Gangnam area. On the delivery platform I use, there are sometimes special missions. Today's mission is simple. I have to get 100 points. The reward is 12,000 Korean won. It is not a huge bonus, but today is Monday, and Mondays are usually slow for delivery drivers. For each delivery, I get around 10 points or more. The longer the delivery distance, the more points I can get. It is kind of like getting experience points in a game. I have to complete this mission between 6:50 p.m. and 8:20 p.m. That means I only have 90 minutes. Can I complete the mission in time? Let's find out. Let's go to work. As soon as the mission started, I got a double order. The payment was not very high, but it was good for collecting points to clear the mission. The delivery location was very close, but I had to make a U-turn, so it took a little bit more time. The second delivery was also very close. So far, the mission is going pretty well. This time, both orders were from the same building. Even better, one of the delivery locations was also in the same building. This is perfect. Let's go pick them up. The first food was already prepared, but the second one was not ready yet, so I had to wait more than 5 minutes. Still, after that, I only have to go upstairs and take the elevator. The next delivery location was also very close. The sky looks really beautiful today, so I wanted to share with you. Luckily, the next pickup location is also very close. Nice.
안녕하세요. 보세요.
For the final part of the mission, I got another double order. This time, it was from a mart and the delivery location was going toward the busy street of Gangnam. Gangnam at night looks amazing. I will show you in a moment. But then I got a heavy order. Mart deliveries can be dangerous because sometimes the items are very heavy, and this time I got unlucky. The bag was really heavy, and when I went up the stairs I was completely out of breath. This is the real life of a delivery driver.
안녕하세요.
Thank you for watching my first video. I hope you enjoyed riding with me through Seoul. I will upload more delivery videos from Korea, especially around Gangnam. So please come back often. And don't forget subscribe, like, and hit the hype button. And see you in the next delivery. Thank you very much.